House, nestled in the prestigious neighborhood of Kebayoran Baru in Jakarta, embodies a unique architectural response to the city's climate, privacy needs, and bustling urban environment. Designed as a private residence for a family of 5, the house employs a distinctive stacking approach, which not only addresses privacy concerns, but also maximizes natural light and ventilation while embracing the outdoor surroundings. The house comprises 3 stacked boxes, strategically shifted to form the fundamental structure. This stacking technique not only adds a dynamic spatial quality, but also delineates different zones within the residence, each box serving a specific function. The hierarchy of zoning is evident, with the higher boxes affording increased privacy. The exterior design of each box varies, utilizing materials such as wood, steel, glass, and concrete, which not only distinguish different zones, but also contribute to the visual appeal of the house. Solid walls facing the street ensure privacy for the occupants, while semi-solid walls in the upper box allow sunlight and views of the surroundings, doubling as a roof for the house. The interplay between the stacked boxes creates shaded spaces underneath, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor areas. A separate box on the right side of the house functions as the main vertical circulation, housing stairs and an elevator that connect all 3 stacked boxes seamlessly. Upon entering the residence, visitors are greeted by a discreet walkway leading to the front door, positioned on the right side of the house. The first floor serves as a service area, accommodating a garage, pantry, and MEP room, ensuring maintenance activities do not disrupt the privacy of the upper levels. The second floor, with its generous ceiling height and sliding glass doors, forms the heart of the house, comprising the foyer, living room, dining room, and kitchen. These spaces seamlessly connect to the garden and terrace, blurring the boundary between indoors and out. The third floor is dedicated to private spaces, housing the main bedroom and 2 children's rooms, interconnected by an inner court and terrace. The main bedroom, facing the street, features wood paneling that filters light and maintains privacy,